Join me as I take on the challenge of creating an online course from scratch and see if I can actually turn my expertise into cash. If you're an expert in a particular field or have a passion that you're great at, you might be wondering how you can share your knowledge with others and make a living from it. Well, creating online courses is a fantastic way to do just that. Not only can you monetize your expertise, but you can also change lives and make a real impact on people's lives. So many of us have skills and experience that can be incredibly valuable to others, but we often struggle to package them up in a way that's easy for others to consume. We might be thinking, okay, I'm great at this, but how do I actually teach it to someone else? Or, I'm not tech savvy, how do I even create an online course? Or, I don't have the time to create a course, I'm too busy with my day job. These are just a few of the common challenges that people face when trying to turn their knowledge into a profitable online course. One of the biggest obstacles is thinking that you're not qualified enough or that someone else is already doing what you want to do. We often doubt our own abilities and think that someone else is more qualified or more experienced. And then there's the fear of failure. What if nobody wants to buy my course? What if it's not good enough? We also get hung up on the tech side of things. How do I record videos? How do I design the course? What platform should I use? Let's break down the steps involved in creating an online course. First, you need to identify your niche. What are you an expert in? What do you want to teach others? Once you've got that nailed down, you can start designing your content. What will your course cover? What kind of lessons will you include? And then there's the practical side of things. You need to choose the right platform to host your course, and decide how you'll deliver the content. Will it be video-based, text-based, or a combination of both? Of course, there are many different ways to create an online course, but the key is to keep it simple and focus on providing value to your students. Another important thing to consider is how you'll structure your course. Will it be in modules, with lessons and quizzes and assignments? You need to think about how you'll engage your students and keep them motivated throughout the course. And finally, you need to think about how you market and sell your course once it's finished. So, what sets successful course creators apart from the rest? Well, they've all got one thing in common: they're able to engage their audience and drive sales. They know how to build a community around their course, and get their students excited about the content. They're able to provide value up front, whether that's through a free webinar or a series of blog posts. And they're not afraid to promote their course and get the word out there. In this video, we've covered the concept of creating online courses as a way to monetize your expertise and change lives. We've talked about the common challenges people face when trying to turn their knowledge into a profitable online course. We've explored the steps involved in creating an online course, and revealed the key strategies that successful course creators use to engage their audience and drive sales. If you're thinking of creating an online course, I'd love to hear about your ideas in the comments below. What kind of course would you create? What topics would you cover? Share your ideas, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be talking about marketing your course to the world.